Hey, what's going on Facebook? It's your boy DC, the author of the Black Carpenter's Guide. That's what I'm starting today. I'm out here in Oceanside. So real quick, here's my book cover right there. You can find it on Amazon.com. Let me walk in and show you what I got going on today. So today in here, I will be replacing these two rotted 2x6s in the wall. You can see that one's pretty bad. Let me give you another shot. Oh yeah, and the one in the corner right here needs to be replaced. I'm building the wall right in front of this one right here. So there's going to be another wall right in front. Basically, it's getting furred out. So in the living room, this house has foundation issues, so the corners are sinking. You really can't tell, but it goes down like 2 inches from the doorway to that wall. There's like a 2-inch drop. So I got to fur all this out. All this is sagging over here. So we got some major foundation issues going on. So I got my material this morning. I'll be furring this out and putting down new plywood. Basically, I'm going to make this whole floor level. So that's what I'll be doing for the next couple of days. There it is. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Thanks for tuning in. You can check out more of my videos on YouTube under the Black Carpenter's Guide. And you can always hit me up on Facebook. All right, peace.